Hey designers, imagine there is a platform from where you can start your UI UX journey as a beginner and become a master UI UX designer. Welcome back to the channel. I've got something huge to share with you today, especially if you ever felt lost trying to learn UI UX design. For the past few weeks, I've been quietly working on something that was born from frustration, not just mine, but yours too. I read your comments, your DMs, and your messages on the Telegram group, and over time, a pattern emerged. Let me break it down. So, first, there is no structured way to learn UI UX designing. Most of us jump from one YouTube tutorial to another, scroll endlessly. Even on my channel, you will find a lot of tutorial, but they don't focus upon the principle and the laws that has to be followed to create a beautiful design, which is kind of a wrong thing. Secondly, the language of the design is confusing. You hear things like affordance, heuristics, or visual hierarchy, and you're like, am I in a psychology class or what? No one's actually explaining it in a simple, relatable way. Third, it's all theory, no real practice. I know design is heavily based on theory, but designing is a skill. You cannot become a good designer just by watching videos or reading PDFs. You have to design again and again with feedback and with guidance as well. And lastly, even if you are motivated, there's no single platform that helps you grow from zero to advance with a clear roadmap. Surely you have platforms like Udemy and Coursera, but there is a lack of approach. They don't teach you everything about the design. You can either learn the UI part or you can learn the UX part. So, with all these problems, I decided to stop waiting for a perfect platform, and I built one myself. Introducing ReduUI.com. Let me go to the website and show you and tell you more about that. So here in the browser, what I'm going to do is, let me first zoom in. So yeah, 200% zoom. And now here I'm going to type ReduUI.com. And this will take you to our website. I'm calling it our website because this has been made because of you all. I want you all to learn UI UX designing in the perfect and a followed roadmap way. Let me zoom out. So yeah, 100%, no problem. So as you can see, this is the hero section of the website. And then over here, you will see you have the roadmap. And in this roadmap, you have the very first module, which is Introduction to UI UX, and it is focused upon beginners. And then further on, level keeps increasing. Then you have Design Basics. If I open it, you will find all the design basics that you should be knowing to create a great design. Not only this, let me open this lesson. So now, inside this typography, you have different lessons. So typography was a subtopic, and then inside it, you have these lessons. The first one is the font size. Now, you can see the website is in reading format. Well, this was a big concern for me. I wanted it to make as interactive as possible. So I included different emojis, I included pictures for you to understand the theories and the concepts. And then I also integrated something like real world practiced approach. As you can see, for the mobile design here, it is mentioned that the body text has to be 16 pixel large. Now, these kind of information you don't get anywhere. You just learn it from your experience. Or maybe these informations are present somewhere in the web, but we don't know where. But now everything is combined and presented within the umbrella of Redu UI. Well, not only this, we have a complete practice-based approach. Well, I'm a person who believes in practice and who believes in doing things, not just learning. So what I have here is, at the very last of every lesson, you will find challenges. Now, this challenge will ask you to do something, and this will prompt you to design, which will help you learn better. Also, there we have a Figma file link. So if I open it, you will find this page has opened. The same challenge is pasted over here, but now you have expected output. So now here I'm asking that you need to create some text, and this is how it should be looking. So this is how it works. I have given you challenges and have given you the expected output, and with this it becomes really easy to understand and master Figma and overall the UI UX designing. And in the Redu UI, let me also tell you about more. So as you can see, you have a lot of module over here, and these are only going to increase. So we have this much only for the UX laws, UI principles, and the rest of them. But we are going to have a lot of them. All are pre-planned, and we will put them in the coming weeks. Now, this part is very important. As you can see, we have an improved platform section where you can provide your email and you can provide one improvement, change, or a feature that you want to see in the website. If you feel like that this website is lacking some features, you can tell me here and I will read all your feedbacks. As you can see, this is a version 1 of the website, so this is only going to improve in the future. So here what I want you to do. Just go to the redoui.com right now, check it out, explore the lessons, try the exercises, and tell me what you think. If this helps even one of you get closer to your design dream, it's already worth it. And yeah, one more thing which is very important to know here is that this website is completely free. It means you don't have to create an account, you don't have to purchase anything to start learning. Everything is absolutely free. You just go to the website and start learning. And as I said, this is just a beginning. I've got big plans to expand this into a full ecosystem, but for now, the first step is yours. You need to go to this website and start studying. As always, thank you so much for being the part of this journey. You have shared your struggles, and this platform is my way of giving back. Let's build better designer together. Hit the like button if you are excited and drop a comment with an honest thought after exploring Redu UI. I'll be reading every single one of them. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep designing.